Hi, Melissa Halsey here, and we'll just take a few moments to talk about conscious breathing. What is conscious breathing? You'll often hear me say, conscious breathing is a commitment to conscious living. Conscious breathing is being aware of your breath and understanding the power of the breath, understanding that by shifting your breath, by consciously watching your breathing, you can change your energy, you can change your mind, you can change how you feel in a moment. So the breath really is automatic. Most of us recognize that we have to breathe to keep living. I don't know what the longest amount of time is to hold your breath, but it's certainly 3 minutes or under for most people. And without that breath, you can't go on living. So the body is animated by the prana, by the life force, and the conscious breathing is being conscious of bringing that breath into your body, filtering it through in maybe a pattern, and releasing it. And once you start to focus your mind on the breath, you start to notice that what your thoughts might be, you see them drifting by, you start to notice how you feel physically, how you feel emotionally, and you recognize that you can regulate that you can change how you feel emotionally, how you're thinking, how you're feeling physically with the power of your breath. So conscious breathing is when you recognize that you are breathing, that you can breathe, and then you can alter that breath with some of the different breaths, like the Nadi Shuddhi breath, or the Kalabadi breath, or the lion breath. These are different ways that you segment your breath to calm the mind, to calm the spirit, to lift the chemicals in the body to a more peaceful place. So conscious breathing, so important. And conscious breathing is simply being aware of your breath and this wonderful tool that you have. Thank you for joining us.